children, here one question I have written. Now you may observe that primary data, ungrouped data is in front of you. Now by using this data, I want to draw a histogram. As I told you in a previous video that to represent information on a histogram, I want data in a grouped manner. So that time, first of all, this row data I have to arrange in a tabular manner. So how I will observe? How I will do? Observe. Here it is 3-digit number. Now observe here unique place, tens place and 100th place. So your 100th place number is 8 in all observations. You may observe. Now last 2 digits only change. There is changes in last 2 digits only. So how I will do to represent this information? First of all, what I will do? Let first column is of interval. Next is of telemarks. And after that frequency. Now, how I will represent it? If lowest observation, this one is 806. So maybe I will begin with 800. So suppose 800 is my first observation. So that time here I am choosing an interval of 10. So next value will be 810. It is not compulsory that all the time you may choose 10 unit interval gap. You may choose class size as 100 also. Your class size can be 5, it can be 50, it can be 1000, it can be lakh. That is up to you. As per your data, as per the need, you may take this class size. Class size means what? Difference between upper limit and lower limit. So here class size I am choosing 10. So 800, so 810. Then 810 to 820. 820 to 830, 830 to 840, 840 to 850, 850 to here 860, next class 860 to 870, 870 to 880, 880 to 890 and 890 to 900. Now further I will not go because here I know that 100th place in my all observation is of 8. Now see, the weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers given. So here, these wages I have chosen in term of interval. So you can observe that in place of starting from lowest observation, that is 806, and I guess highest observation will be here 898. So in place of writing this many numbers in a tabular manner, you may observe here after taking these observations in term of group, you can easily occupy this all data on a single piece of paper. Otherwise, these data will fill your 2-3 pages. Now, how I will represent, how I will make a telemark? So see, 870, 830. So 830 will come, where it will come? So here observe, it is a upper limit of third interval and a lower limit of fourth interval. So what you have to do? If it is an upper limit, here upper limit, so 830 you will not locate at upper limit. Otherwise entry will be twice. So that will be again wrong. Here what is written? 30. So what answer we are getting at the end, frequency should tally, that is of 30 only. So if in place of marking one tally here, if you will mark two tallies, so that is again a wrong mathematics. So what you have to do? Up in an upper limit, you are not supposed to locate. Here 800 to 810 means 800 to 809 entry you will do in a first interval. 810 to 820 means what? 810 to 819. This many numbers entry you will do in a second interval. 820 to 830 means 820 to 829 entry will come here. 830 to 840 means what? 830 to 839 numbers entry will come in a fourth interval. So here 830 is there. So this one will come in a fourth interval. Then 835. So 835 again will come here. 890. So 890 will come here. At last 810 will come here in a second interval. 835 again will come here. 836 again at here. Then 869. 869 will at here. After that 845. So at here in this range 840 to 850, 845 will come. Then after 898. So obviously in a last interval will come. Then 890. Now again will create confusion. Upper limit is there, lower limit is there. So in a lower limit interval we have to represent. Then after 820. So 820 will come in a third interval, not in a second interval. After that 860. 860 will at here. Then 832. 832 will come here. See, observe 1, 2, 3 and 4 tally completed. So fifth tally we will do like this. So easily after that we may calculate also. This symbol means 5 observations. Now 832 completed, then 833, then 855. 855 will come in this interval. After that 845 will come at here. Then after 804 obviously will come in a first interval. Then 808 obviously in first interval. 812 second interval. 840 in this interval. 885 will come at here. 872 885 will come in the range of 880 to 890. Then 835. So 835 again will come here. This one also 835. So again here 836 here. 878. So here 840. 840 will come here. After that 868. So 868 will be at here. 890. 890 will come in the last interval. 806 will come in a first interval. 840 again 5 will complete it. Now this tally here I have to count. How many? These are 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 5, 1, 3, 1, 1 and 4. Now add up 5, 6, 6 plus 5, 15, 20, 21, 24, 25, 26 plus 4, that is total frequency is 30. You may observe total sum is coming 30, that is tallied with your question. So like that you may complete a frequency distribution table. This tabular information we are representing, which is known as a frequency distribution table. Now using this information I can draw a histogram. Now how to represent it on a histogram? Here I am showing you. On a graph paper you have to make x-axis, y-axis. Now see, here directly I will start. Lower limit of my first class interval is 800. It means 0 to 799 numbers I am skipping here. So that time what you have to do, in first unit on a graph paper what you are having, green lines also in between, light color green lines are there. So darken green line will be considered as a 1 unit. So in first unit I will make here I will draw a jagged line. This jagged line is known as kink. Now after that in the dark green line I will write 800. On the next interval 810, then 820, then 830, 840, 850, 860, 870, 880. Now remaining you may complete, because you may observe all this information I cannot occupy here on my board, but this understanding once you will get, you may try it at your home. Now see, frequencies are observed. So here this information is about wages, and this is the frequency. Frequency of what? Number of workers. So here I will write number of workers. Now see, here lowest is 1 and highest is 9. So in place of taking here interval, will be better I will choose like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now see, in the range of 800 to 810, how many workers are there? 3. So it's a bar I can draw like this. Now from the range of 810 to 820, I am having 2 numbers, 2 observations, 2 workers are there. So that you have to represent like this. Then 820 to 830, how many are there? 1. So in that range, I am having only one worker, so that you may represent it in this manner. 830 to 840. Here 830, 840. Range is 9. So like that, using a ruler, you have to draw each bar. After that, 840 to 850, we have 5 workers. So here, like that. Now 850 to 860, only one. So again, like that you will draw. Then 860 to 870, how many? 3. 3 workers are there. So using a ruler, you have to draw a proper graph. Then after 870 to 880, again we have only one worker. So similarly, remaining 2 entries you may complete it on your graph paper. Hope how to draw a graph, histogram, it is understood to you. Now some questions also they can ask that how many workers on rupees 850 and more. So 850 will come where? In a lower limit. So 850 is at here. So these all entries, suppose it is how many? I can write 3, 2, 1, 9. This is 5, 1, 3, 1, like that. This entries also you can complete. So here, now your question is, how many workers on rupees 850 and more? So that time, how many are there? 850 and more. So that time, 1, 3, 1, and that further entries I have not completed, but 850 I have started from this interval. So from here also I can give you answer. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, that is 10. Here, why I am giving this answer from a table? Because here on my board I am not able to occupy whole graph. That is why after completing this graph also you may complete it. You have to count it from this number onwards, which all datas will come. 850 and more. So 850 is here. So 850 onwards, what many observations are there? That frequency, sum of that frequency will come in that interval. Now, which group has the maximum number of workers? Maximum number of workers, you may see highest bar will come at here, that is of 9. Highest entry is of 9 workers. So that group is of 830 to 840. Like that you may answer. Now next is, how many workers on less than 850 rupees? So how many workers on less than? This is 850. So less than 850 means this all will come. So you have to sum up this all. 9 plus 5, 14, plus 1, 15, plus 2, 17, plus 3, 20. So that time 20 workers are earning less than 850 rupees. So like that, from a graph you can give answers